Tuesday, September 28th, and I'm Isabella Kirby.
And I'm William Fikes. The early fall assessments are here. Our next delayed opening is tomorrow with non-testing students entering the building at 11:15. Students who are testing have received a testing ticket with their assigned locations and days. There will be a second bus run, so bus riders should talk to their bus drivers today. After testing concludes, the schedule will be periods 3 and 4 at normal times. Spikeball Club will be starting in October. Meetings will occur twice a week from 2:45 to 4. First interest meeting information will be coming soon.
Mock Tri will be holding tryouts Tuesday, October 5th from 2:50 to 3:50 in E218. This meeting we will give you all the materials needed to be successful for tryouts, and we will have sign-up sheets available for tryout dates. Please come prepared with any questions. The Unlikely Heroes Tabletop Gaming Club or Dungeons & Dragons Club will not meet on Friday, October 1st. We will meet again on Friday, October 8th after school at 3 p.m. in the Media Center. Keep working on your characters and see Mr. Cooper in F104 if you have any questions.
Please check your grade levels Google Classroom for information on 2 upcoming math competitions being held at JMB, the University of Maryland Math Competition and the American Math Competition. Email Ms. Slatcher for more information. The first Mu Alpha Theta meeting will take place on Thursday, September 30th at 3 p.m. in the cafeteria. All current members should plan to attend. If you are a current member, you have been added to the Mu Alpha Theta Google Classroom. If you were inducted last spring, please bring your $16 dues to the meeting, exact cash or a check.
The Sexuality Alliance Club will hold an interest meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. in Miss Bowser's office, B117. All are welcome. Do you want to build a rocket, solve a crime scene, or decode an encrypted message? Join Science Olympiad. Science Olympiad will have an interest meeting today from 3 to 4 p.m. in room G120. For more updates, join our Google Classroom using code QR6SB03 and are reminded by texting JMB Scully to 81010.
If you would like to be featured on the sophomore class Instagram page, please direct message JMB 2024 on Instagram with your best homecoming pictures. In sports, JMB field hockey defeated St. Michael's 4-2 in an intense game. Well done, ladies.
Last evening at Wicomico County Stadium, girls soccer moved to 6-0 on the season with a convincing win over Y High. Mackenzie Krebs led all scorers. Also scoring were Regan Ands with 2 and a goal apiece from the early twins, Rin and Paige. Addie McCutcheon left Wilkins, Eden Emoff, and Gabby Colan with Ella Briggs.
And finally today, JMB, help keep our school open. Mask on and mask up, covering your nose and chin. And that's all we have for you today, JMB. Have a great day, JMB.